Create a center reveal rectangle with text like ABDAAL in Premiere Pro. With the rectangle tool, click and drag into preview to create a rectangle. Now in the Essential Graphics panel, set border radius to 40 and change fill color to a color you like. Click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. Now select the Type tool and make sure that the rectangle layer is still selected, and type a text. Now select the Selection tool and click on this button to capitalize all letters. And center the text and change other properties of the text how you like. In the Effects panel, search for Crop and add it to the graphic layer. Select the layer and in the Effect Controls panel, move the playhead to the start. Set crop left and right to 50% and click on stopwatch next to them to create starting keyframes. Hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key twice to go forward 10 frames and decrease crop left and right until the rectangle is fully visible. Move the playhead to the location you want to start unrevealing the rectangle and click on the circle buttons. Move forward 10 more frames and set left and right to 50% again. Select all the keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Create a time-lapse effect like ABDAAL videos in Premiere Pro. Just select your video and press Ctrl+R to open Clip Speed/Duration window. Set the speed to a high value like 1000 or 2000 and click OK. Create pan effect like ABDAAL in Premiere Pro. Select your video, then in the Effect Controls panel, move the playhead to the start. Set scale to 130 and change position values until your subject is not in the frame and click on stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and change position first value until the subject is visible on the screen. Now we have this pan effect. Drag the second keyframe closer to the first keyframe to increase the speed of the effect. Also, to smoothen the effect, select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.